Hi, this is Antonio from Antonio Tube. Today we have episode 5. But before we do the video, I just want to tell you about Antonio Tube Max. It's coming soon after I make the 15 videos. There's 10 more. So today we have him in Spot. Featuring Pinkbird and Redbird against Minion Pig, King Pig, and Small Minion Pig. Alright, let's swing. Alright, King Pig's down. Now time for Pinkbird. Sorry, I just like to throw a lot. Oh, Pinkbird broke. That happens a lot when you throw Pinkbird. I got her from the blind bag. Alright. Small Minion Pig is down. The TNT blew up. And Pinkbird got her apple back. King Pig wants to sit with a hand. It's a speedboat. Alright. That was today's video. Now more about Antonio Tube Max. Antonio Tube Max is daily, random days. Any day I want to, I ask my mom to make a video for me about anything I need. About toys, stories, or maybe a destruction. There's a lot of them, but the name of them are going to be Antonio Tube Max. I'm not going to tell you about them until we make the video. Bye.